Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, of course, with your daily Solana update. I mean, I had to cover it. We haven't had that much movement, which does change the market structure a bit, and we'll talk about that. But in general, Solana is still bullish. I still expect my price targets of $70 and $75. It's just that right now, I mean, the situation has changed a little bit. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Now, obviously, yesterday, if some of you still remember, when we did the video, the price was super bullish, right? It was almost at $67, which is the closest resistance right now. But since then, it has dropped down quite a bit, which we talked about yesterday, right? Yesterday, we said if Bitcoin gets a pullback, then Solana will probably follow that. And that should not be a problem, but that does mean we'll get some bearish momentum first. And that is exactly, excuse me, just looking at some things. That is exactly what happened. I mean, over the course of the last 24 hours, Solana has just lost quite a lot of momentum again, which is unfortunately, especially like yesterday, the open interest was very high. And since then, it has dropped down quite a bit. All right. So that means that Solana has lost some momentum. And Solana needs momentum to get towards $70 and eventually to $75. So this is still what I expect. But at this moment, I mean, obviously it's crypto, so it's very volatile. Bitcoin could spike up in the next hour and Solana will follow. All right. So that's still true. But right now it seems a little bit more likely that we're getting some more sideways action. If you look at the price right now, technically, Solana is still bullish, right? The trend is still bullish, but the ADX dropped down a little bit 2 days ago. It's still a little bit lower than it was, for example, on Monday. And you can just see that the EMAs right here are getting flatter, right? They're being respected less as support levels, which means that the bullish strength or the bullish momentum that those EMAs carry is less. So, like I said, I still expect this, but right now it does seem more likely that Bitcoin will get a bit of a pullback, which for Solana would mean that it will probably drop down towards $60. And I even think it's possible that it will drop down lower towards 58 or let's say 57, 56. I do expect that to hold for now. I'll keep you updated on that, of course. But I do expect that to hold, and then eventually I expect Solana to retake 60, retake 62.5, and then eventually get up to $70 and $75. But like I said, it needs momentum for that. And Solana does not necessarily depend on Bitcoin for momentum, but Bitcoin does need to be a little bit stable, right? So right now, Bitcoin is not too stable. It's falling down rather hard. So if Bitcoin finds support and consolidates, then it's possible again for Solana to find some momentum and potentially get some bullish breakouts again and rally up to the next price targets. Yeah, talking a bit fast here, but short term it does look likely, especially also taking into account that the correlation over the last 30 days for Solana or overall, it actually used to be quite high. It's not that high right now, but still I do expect it to follow Bitcoin in this instance, and Bitcoin is falling. So there's that. I think that's everything you need to know for now. Yeah, I think so. But if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I'll try to respond to those as soon as possible. The comments have been flooded a bit with spam comments, with bots. But yeah, I'll try to filter through those. For now, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos. And don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description or the pinned comment. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.